Change up this one thing in your Instagram and Facebook stories to get more views, which then leads to more engagement and conversions in your business. Steph Parisi here. If you want to learn how to turn your story viewers into customers, check out my stories workshop. It's just 25 minutes. Go to stephanieparisi.com for more info. I'm going to open up Facebook and we're going to take a look at the stories here at the top. This one thing always boosts my views when I pay attention to it. If you keep watching till the end of this video, I'm going to give you some examples so you have a few ideas of how to implement it for yourself because it can be a little bit tricky. But the one thing that I am talking about is what I would call the story thumbnail. And that is what you see here at the top. It's like the things people are talking about, like Chalene Johnson, you can see her, she's doing a speaking story here. So it's all these different images that I see at the top. And some of these thumbnails are way more interesting than others. That first story that is up really does matter. For example, you can see my story thumbnail here is a picture of me, and you can see something in my hair, and then you can see my arms. Okay. So this story did really, really well for me. And I'm not surprised by that because I knew the story thumbnail would be enticing. Okay. The other cool thing about this story, besides the engagement I got, so you can see here some of the liking, the loving, is I had a link on it. Okay. So if we go back to it here, you can see, hey, view website. While I'm talking about the flowers that are in my hair, I also am using this as a business story. This is a business story getting people to a fitness group that I lead, okay, that's on health and everything. So it says my secret for toned arms because people in this story are going to be like, oh my gosh, like what is Steph doing for her arms? So if you click to view the website, it actually takes you to my Facebook group. Because I'm a part of this Facebook group, it's not going to ask you to enter to join it. But for someone who's not, and I got people requesting to join this group, okay? And then in the group, I had a post that led to talking about like, hey, I actually don't lift my arms technically at all. I do shoulder and back workouts, but in turn that tones my arms. So, and I list the workout there. Okay. So this is attraction marketing at its finest. Here are other examples of great story thumbnails that really did well for me. So I try to keep these to be eye-catching images. Anything that's really relatable can get someone onto your story. I always try to keep my best stories in the first couple stories.